Uganda is one of the 30 top countries globally with a high burden of tuberculosis, with 90,000 new cases registered annually. Now, a renowned medical physician and researcher, Dr. Masaki Wayengera, is leading research on manufacturing, clinical testing, and commercialization of a rapid diagnostic test for tuberculosis. This research aims at improving TB case detection and reduce the spread of the disease that is highly infectious.
Now, the test we are developing here is based on a target in the organism, but this particular one is looking at antibodies that come in when somebody is ill, what we call IgM antibodies. These tests, like the pregnancy test, essentially, this is a strip test, it's a rapid test, and the idea is to make sure that there are available screening tools so that people are able to test even at in the community, but also in the setting of the primary health care centers. Let's say health center 2, health center 3, such that a decision is made early. TB is treatable. The earlier you identify somebody who has TB, and you start them on treatment, the less people they will infect.
Dr. Wayengera says the research will go a long way in helping Uganda to control infectious diseases like TB, but also aid the elimination agenda.
One of the things we believe is that we need to empower the community by availing them easy-to-use tests that can be used for screening. TB can mimic many things. It presents with cough, fever, and it's possible that people suspect other things. Occasionally, by the time a patient comes in who has TB, they have been treated for pneumonia and upper respiratory tract infections for more than a month going around. And yet these people, it could be easier to identify them early using a screening tool that is the point of care.
Now, a specialist in infectious diseases, Dr. Sabrina Chitaka, commended the government for allocating funds to support local research, saying that this helps the country to decide on research priorities as opposed to externally funded research.
The truth is there are so many rapid testing kits, but we are excited that even us as Ugandans, we are going to have our own rapid testing kit. So that's a development in the right direction.
This research by Dr. Masaki Wayengera on manufacturing, clinical testing and commercialization of a rapid diagnostic testing for tuberculosis is being conducted at a time when Uganda is striving to end TB by 2030. Adiana Kote, UBC.